In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a video in Neocities. Now first, you want to open your index.html or whatever page where you want to actually embed your video. And then in here, we're going to put in the embed link. So select where you want to put it. I'm going to go down here, for example, just for this tutorial. Of course, it's up to you wherever you put it. It's your site. And then you want to get your embed link. So if it's your own video and not like a YouTube video, you can upload it to something like Google Drive. It's so simple. Just go to Google Drive, upload your video, and then inside Google Drive, right-click that video, click on Share, and then Share again. And from here, where it says General Access, make sure it's set like this, so anyone with the link, and then give them the viewer role. When you do this, click on Done. Then you want to right-click, and you want to do Open With, Open in New Tab. When you do this, it's going to open the video in a new tab, and you're going to get a few options together with the embed link. So here I have, it's going to pop up like a file tab at the top left. There we go. Click on it, go over Share, and then click on Get Embed Link. Then copy this link over here like this, highlight it, press copy. Do OK. We can now close this, and you can go back to your code, and in here simply paste it and click on Save. Now when you do this, you can see if I click on the View button, it's going to embed that video onto my site just like this. That's the first way. But of course, if you have like your videos on any other platform where you can get embed links, you can embed them from there as well. So for example, I have my YouTube channel over here. I pulled up one of my videos. I can simply right-click on my video here when I open it, and when I right-click, I can copy embed code, and I can go back over here, and as you can see, I can of course put it in here inside the code, click on Save, and it's going to essentially put it in here as well. So if I refresh this, you'll be able to see, there we go, I now have a video embedded from YouTube in here inside my page as well. So that's essentially how to embed videos. You need embed links, and then you put them inside your index, save it, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.